In my creations farm, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I decorate this mini handbag card for a little girl birthday. So yes guys, here you have it. This is how it came out. So let's get right into this video. So I went ahead and die cut my handbag, and right here I'm just creasing the part that's gonna be popped up in the middle with my decorations. So as I said, I pre-cut all my pieces off camera, and also all my decorations. Some I made with die cut and also some I got off online. So here is the mini bag. So far I added glitter paper and regular cardstock together, and you guys, I already posted about 2 bags. I tried to find the die cuts for this handbag, but for some reason I can't find it. I can't find the link to share it with you guys with my affiliate link. So you guys will have to go and search for it if you need it. And yeah, I'm just adding all my little knobs. I will not be talking much into this video. I will just show you guys how the bag came out. I also finished decorating it off camera because there was too much to do online, too many bits and pieces to show on camera. Right here I use my circle die to cut out this circle where I can use to make the handle of my handbag, and right here I just cut it in half and glue it on into my handbag. So these are the rest of the bits and pieces, and you guys will see how I added them to the card. So guys, this is the finished product. I added my letter S for the initial of the little girl birthday, Also, I added some bow. There's a little space right there where they can add their notes. Just a little mini space. I didn't leave a lot of empty space because, you know, it's a child, they don't really understand. You just want it to be fancy and look really beautiful. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy this little mini video. Stay tuned for the next. Peace. I'm out.